Interpack is a major marketplace for new technologies and thus an important source for innovation for our industry. More than ever, topics such as climate protection and sustainability are also in focus for us as a machine manufacturer. Efficient use of raw materials, optimized material flows, modern manufacturing technologies, as well as digitalized and automated production processes are topics that we deal with at Multivac. In our own production, we also implement measures of energy reduction and the use of renewable energy and green power. Many things are currently in a state of upheaval, but this is also accompanied by many opportunities to the benefit of our customers. For example, as a member and driving force of the Open Industry 4.0 Alliance, here we contribute our know-how in the field of digitalization and Industry 4.0 to jointly define global standards and thus enable customers and members to create more efficient production processes. Interpack is a unique platform for all stakeholders in our industry to exchange ideas and set trends for the future together. We look forward to seeing you. See you soon in Düsseldorf.